I was seriously impressed with this Litheli E-Wagon W1 Pro when I reviewed it recently. And it hasn't just been sitting around here looking good. I've used it for a few weeks to carry around all sorts of camera and drone gear over all sorts of terrain, and it's been absolutely invaluable. But what do you do when one of the battery runs out? Well, that's where this Litheli PowerHub Eclair 1000 comes in. Not only is it a power hub rated at 1000 watt hours that will fast charge 2 of the E-Wagon batteries at the same time, it's an uninterruptible mains power supply and comprehensive USB charging hub that's perfect for camping, festivals and even emergency power outages. And you can charge this from a mains outlet, a car battery and even solar panels. So it's ideal for on-demand power wherever you need it. Hello and welcome to the Whirly Bloke channel. Charging the E-Wagon batteries is very straightforward. Just turn the power hub on by pressing the power switch and you just slot a couple of the U Battery Plus batteries in. The colour display and the LEDs on the batteries will show you the charge status. When they're fully charged, just press the eject button and you're ready to go. And these batteries do fit all other Litheli battery powered devices. There's a panel on the side with 110 volt mains AC power outlets for powering lights, heaters, power tools or whatever you need. Up here under the panel are the power inputs for charging, AC mains, car battery or solar panels. And Litheli includes some power leads in the box. The front panel has a full complement of USB outputs. There's 2 USB-C 20 watt outputs that will deliver between 5 and 9 volts. There's 2 USB-C 100 watt outputs for quick charge between 5 and 20 volts. And finally a couple of 18 watt USB-A outputs for older non-PD charge devices. And if you need 12 volts, there's a couple of DC 5521 barrel connector outputs. On the top is an 80 watt pogo pin charging area if you use a pogo charging dock for your tablet or computer. And under here is a 12 volt car outlet if you need it. So there's nothing much else you need if you spend time outdoors and you need to power things. And inside this rather nice case is a lithium iron phosphate battery that's good for at least 3000 plus charge cycles, and there's a couple of very quiet fans to keep things nice and cool. In fact, they're so quiet I didn't even realise they were there until I saw the fan symbol on the colour display. And if you were wondering how on earth you carry the power hub around, well, it's designed to neatly fit in the rear of the E-Wagon W1 Pro, and it's easily accessible even when the trolley's fully loaded through this hatchback. So if you've got an E-Wagon W1 Pro and you're out camping or at a festival or hiking or even RV travel, you can use the power hub to power pretty much anything. Lights, cameras, power tools, recharging all your devices like drone batteries, phone, computers and tablets. Pretty much whatever you need. I'll leave links in the video description to the Indiegogo project page and the Litheli website where you can find out more information. The target price on this is $900, but I'm sure there'll be launch day deals to be had on the Indiegogo site. And you're getting an awful lot of power for your money with this. And I'll post any updates on my community page and socials when I hear anything. Do leave a comment and let me know what you think about this. Your comments are always appreciated and I try to answer them all. Hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.